Where should I stick this? Windshield or quarter window? I'm thinking windshield again. Alright, camera mounted, and now the necessity of owning a Cobra. You gotta have the fog lights on. Alright, we're good to go. This reminds me of the one from Fast and Furious. first time ever actually properly getting into it. Before I thought I was getting into it, but nope, my foot hit the floor for the first time in this car. And I missed 2 gears. I missed 4th, and I think I missed 3rd, I don't even remember. Oh my, the Shelby. He's flying in reverse. Alright, so we're back here in the garage, all closed down, lights on, and I finally got to hit some speed there in the Cobra. For a second there in one of the clips, you might be able to tell, but my foot did hit the floor for the first time in this car. I never really was confident to give it any, as you can tell from my past videos of going to that same car show. And you know, I was trailing my dad here, which he was in the GT500, obviously. He was ripping, you know, so I figured, hey, I'm gonna do the same. And this car's so fast, he didn't even realize I was trying to keep up. These Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's are great tires, 295 wide, and they just squealed a tiny bit, which is gonna happen with 600 horsepower. And it just hooked and went, which this car in the 4 years we've had it has never hooked that well with the old Goodyears that used to be on it. So yeah, this car is insanely fast, and the Cobra just stands no chance. But the Cobra definitely also isn't a slouch. It definitely goes fast. I mean, broke the tires a little bit, and I forgot to turn off traction control. So anytime I tried to give it any gas, it just kind of would cut power on me. As you can tell in some of the clips, going around that one turn, it just cuts power like crazy, like 60 to 70%. It felt like just. So I have to remember next time to turn that off. I'm sorry. I know I'm an amateur. I'm a noob to this whole thing, but I wasn't expecting to be following my dad here. He just kind of took the lead on me. And so yeah, if you guys are enjoying these videos, which I'm finally able to make content with these two cars together. I know I was saying it all winter long, and there's going to be plenty more videos to come. So if you're not subscribed already, please go down, subscribe. And as well, if you made it to this part in the video, I'm going to tease something. So right now I'm currently saving some money for a new daily driver for me, which I'm looking at getting in a month or 2 from now. And I have a few options that I'm looking at in a certain price range, and I'm looking more at an ex-cop car Crown Vic. I found one with really good mileage for a decent price, and I'm also looking at Subarus. And the thing with the Subaru is, around here all the used ones for sale are still expensive, and they're going to be more expensive than a used Crown Vic ex-cop car, which has a V8 rear-wheel drive, and it's a Ford, which obviously I like Ford. But yeah, I personally want a Crown Vic, and I can get it cheaper than I can a Subaru with less mileage as well. So let me know what you guys want to see on the channel. So let me know down in the comments what car you want to see come to the channel, like a Subaru, or a Crown Vic, or something else. Recommend something, because I'm all ears. I'm really interested in looking for a new daily driver. The main part with me getting a certain daily driver is if it's not an ex-cop car, I would like a manual. I would like a standard stick shift car, and I want something interesting that I can make videos on that you all would like to see. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you did enjoy this video, give me a like, subscribe, and comment down what you want to see come to the channel. Hope you guys are enjoying this content, and yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Have a good day.